Join me as I dive into the latest Sbev stock news and challenge myself to uncover the truth behind today's market moves. Sbev stock has been making waves in the market, and its relevance cannot be overstated, so let's create some context for our discussion. Investors are facing several challenges when it comes to Sbev stock, including a lack of clear information about the company's future plans. Many are unsure about whether to buy or sell, and this uncertainty is causing a lot of anxiety. The stock's volatility is also a major concern, with prices fluctuating wildly in a short period. This makes it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. Some investors are also worried about the potential risks associated with Sbev stock, such as the possibility of a downturn in the market. The factors affecting Sbev stock are complex and multifaceted, including market trends, company performance, and expert opinions. Market trends are playing a significant role in shaping the stock's trajectory, with overall market sentiment influencing investor decisions. The company's performance is also crucial, with factors such as revenue growth and profitability impacting the stock's value. Expert opinions are also being closely watched, with many investors looking to analysts and financial experts for guidance. Many experts believe that Sbev stock has significant potential for growth, citing the company's strong track record and innovative approach. Others are more cautious, warning of potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the stock's performance. The latest insights from stock experts suggest that investors should be cautious but also open to the possibility of significant gains. These insights are based on a careful analysis of market trends and company performance, as well as a deep understanding of the potential risks and rewards. The latest insights from stock experts could significantly impact Sbev investors' decisions, particularly in terms of their investment strategies. Some experts are recommending a buy-and-hold approach, while others are advocating for a more cautious approach. The insights also highlight the importance of doing your own research and not relying solely on expert opinions. By taking a thoughtful and informed approach, investors can make more confident decisions about their investments. Additionally, the insights suggest that Sbev stock is worth keeping an eye on, even for those who are not currently invested. In summary, the key takeaways from our discussion are that Sbev stock is complex and multifaceted, and investors need to be careful and informed in their decision-making. The stock has potential for growth, but also carries risks and uncertainties, and investors should be aware of these factors when making their decisions. Let me know your thoughts on Sbev stock in the comments below, and if you're looking for more analysis and insights, be sure to check out my other videos.